Ayan, medyo operatic. Yo, what's good everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So pasensya na po, medyo matagal yung video ko na upload. It's been like 3 days, no? The last time I uploaded kasi nga nagkasakit ako, nagka-flu ako, and may ubo pa nga ako today at hindi pa masyadong okay yung boses ko. But thankfully, naka-recover naman ako sa lagnat. So I'm still recovering, and now pwede naman siguro malinaw na yung boses ko. So mag-react tayo ngayon kay JM De La Serna's performance of Nosy Balasi. Nosy Balasi. I love this song. So ano to, classic na parang rock, no? Rock song. Sino ba sila? Dan, 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 dan. So, please do follow me on Facebook page, David Lanyas, and on Instagram, RealDavid_29. So, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. JM De La Serna. Ooh. Jamiel, oh. If I'm not mistaken, kanta to ng babae, di ba? Babae yung kumakanta nito sa original, no? No? Tama ba? Grabe si ate, oh. Nosy. Easy work. Grabe ang stable, ang stable ng boses eh, no? Kahit na naglalakad-lakad siya, kumakaway-kaway siya, no? Pero andun pa rin eh, no? Hindi nawawala. Nice. Woo! Ang galing. Ayan, medyo operatic. Woo! He really reminds me of Dimash Kudaibergen. One of the few artists na nireact ko, no, na pinakauna dito sa aking YouTube channel way back 2018, no, si Dimash. If you don't know Dimash, i-type nyo Dimash, no, dito sa YouTube, makikita nyo, grabe yun kumanta. Galing. Galing. Woo! Grabe. So, sobrang galing ni JM, man. Mapapatawa ka na lang. Like real talk. Name me a singer right now na sikat na may ganitong skill set in terms of singing, no? Yung vocal skill set katulad kay JM, ganito ka wide, ganito ka flexible, ganito ka versatile, ganito ka stable, no? Ganito ka established. Name me a singer right now na sikat na may same vocal skill set. Wala kayong, I bet wala kayong mapapangalan sa akin dito sa Pilipinas, ha. Yung sikat, sikat. Oh, wala. Amazing, man. Grabe. Galing. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. No? And comment down below ano pa yung mga videos na gusto nyong i-react to. Okay? So peace out. God bless. Bye.